What's going on, guys? So what do you think about a bumper cut, like all this black out with a really aggressive diffuser? I'll throw a picture on the screen of kind of what I'm thinking right now. That's what I'm thinking. But what do you guys think? Tell me down below. I'm gonna answer some quick questions that you guys have had recently. Number one, what shifter extension is this? I got this off eBay. It's just called a 2.5-inch black shifter extension, and my shift knob is a Downwind Customs teardrop style. They no longer make it. So yeah, maybe if you bug him enough, he'll make some more of them. Alright, my GoPro died. So once again, Downwind Customs shift knob and eBay shifter extension. Another commonly asked question is, how do I get all those bang, pops, and cracks? Well, speed density with a full 100% blow-off valve is one main reason. Also, the Tomei Extreme single exit, catless downpipe, equal length headers, all those together. But the main thing is this. The Turbo Smart race port blow-off valve. So that right there is what causes all those loud, obnoxious sounds.
What's up? I'm Justin. My Instagram's Live Photos. I'm here today shooting Clint's car.
Washed it yesterday, but it's already pretty dirty again, so here we go once again. There we go.